something I never forgot, you know, and she was requesting Isagenix to help her on the journey, and we decided that we were going to help her with this journey. And she's definitely had courage and a lot of support from the Isagenix family, but she's giving back now to so many people. I mean, she truly is. I mean, she coaches people through the cleanse, and you know, Isagenix not only changes people's lives, it saves people's lives. So, amen. So I'd like to hear you. What would you like to say to everyone? Anything? How are you feeling right now?
Grateful. Just so grateful. First to John Anderson and to you guys, thank you so much for sharing such a gift with all of us. It's life-changing, not just for me, but for every single person that it ever touches. I just want to thank everybody in my Isagenix family. Shylin, my angel, who came to me in my hospital bed. Thank you, and I love you. To all of you who have supported me, encouraged me, keep me going on Facebook. You have no idea what your love means to me.
Woo! Woo!
So what's next for you, Dana?
700-pound club.
I know it takes a lot of willpower and a lot of encouragement, and I heard you're even, you know, working out now. Is that true?
Want to see my gun?
Yeah, let me see your gun. Okay. Let me see your gun.
So for the photo shoot that we just did, I was so happy to announce that was the first time I'd worn a tank top since junior high.
Wow. Supported you and helped you to get here to this event because it was really important for you to be here, and so thank you for all the people who helped support Dana to get here and supporting her morally and